At Eurosatory 2018, ECA Group is showcasing its latest robotics and simulation solutions.
Eurosatory is a very important event, as Euronaval, which takes place this year too. We are ECA Group. We have solutions for all the area: land, airland, maritime, and surface activities. And land and airline are more and more important for the group. We propose here several solutions for UGV, for USV, with the most accurate solution for the different army, police, and homeland security activities. To be at the top of innovation, definitely we have to spend a lot of money for this. We spend, roughly speaking, about 17% of our turnover for innovative activity in different fields. Robots for sure, the electronics and development of concepts for the full benefit of our customer.
Eurosatory is focused on land and air mainly, so we are here exhibiting our whole range of unmanned ground vehicles used for EOD, and also our UAV used by the French Army in Mali. All these robots have been delivered to the French Army, but also to many other countries as well, and used widely. So early this year we got a big contract for the French DGA called SMINEX, in collaboration with other companies, where we are going to deliver the Iguana, which is the latest generation of UGV that we have. And this robot potentially will be purchased up to 58 units altogether in the program, so it's a very big program from the French armies. So it's a mid-size UGV, is able to get inside planes and buses. He has an 8-axis arm, able to lift many payloads, disruptors, and accomplish many missions. Able to go upstairs and go through big obstacles. So it's the latest generation, and we are quite pleased for the French Army to having it in the forces. This one is used widely by the French Army for a few years now, so they are using it in external operations for reconnaissance. We have developed now a new payload for this one. It's a ground-penetrating radar to detect UXOs and potential dangerous objects buried in the ground. And so this one has been sold as well in many countries, and is a very useful tool for Army Corps to do reconnaissance and intelligence. The IT-180 is a very unique drone, UAV used by the French Army and other armies in many countries as well. Its design makes it very robust to wind and very difficult weather conditions. So it is able to fly with winds up to 60 kilometers per hour, which is around the same as a conventional helicopter. Its total weight is 25 kilos and is able to lift 5 kilo payload, effective payload, up to 2 hours in the gasoline version. So it's very unique in terms of payload capacity and mission endurance.
We are showcasing the entire range of driving simulators, the almost entire range, from light vehicle to single-seat truck to dual-seat truck. There are multiple benefits. The first one is that if they train on the real vehicles, the field of operation, the training field, is not always available. They have to book a long time in advance, and it's hard to plan the training depending on the availability. Also, they have to move the personnel and move the vehicles to the training fields. Then also, they cannot master some parameters like time of the day if they want to do day or night driving, and also the weather. Also, what is a huge benefit for simulation is that you can simulate danger without putting any danger on the people or on the material. We are working with security, emergency services, firemen, ambulance, police, and also military. We are in the French Army booth, where we are showcasing a complete training system, including different types of simulators of different types of vehicles. So here we simulate a logistics truck, a truck to transport some goods, and we are working in the same virtual environment with different simulators and different vehicles, like a helicopter, like a fighter jet, and like other vehicles from the Army. We are showing here the capacity to integrate in the training center and in the training field, and we hope in the future to be able to deliver some of our tools to the French Army.